Here is how to make a pin board for macrame knot tying. It is very sturdy and the pins won't poke through the back. This easy to make board has only two supplies, ceiling tile and duct tape. Cut your ceiling tile to the desired size, then take a stack of 4 tiles. Flip them so the ceiling tile is facing out on the top and the bottom. Wrap a few times around the stack with the duct tape to hold it all together. Next, wrap all the way around the edges. Then wrap all the way around the board horizontally. And then finally the last wrap. You want to wrap all the way around the board vertically. We use these boards for all kinds of projects. We use them for big projects, we use them for small. Boards of all sizes, we gather them all. From morning till night, our projects unfold. With each little board, a story is told. So to gather them close, on shelves and in drawers, for projects await and adventures galore.